Welcome to Money Goals Mastery. Today we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing. If you've been looking for a way to earn money online, you're in the right place. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You promote, they buy, and you earn. It's as easy as that. Affiliate marketing works in a few easy steps. First, you choose a product you believe in. Then you get a unique affiliate link. Next, you promote the product through that link. Finally, when someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Why should you choose affiliate marketing? Here are a few reasons. It's low cost, allows you to earn passive income. There are many affiliate marketing platforms to choose from. Some of the most popular include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. These platforms connect you with thousands of products you can start promoting today. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Focus on a niche you're passionate about and one that has a large, engaged audience. This will make it easier to create content and promote products effectively. When selecting products to promote, look for high-quality products with good reviews and reasonable commission rates. Ensure the product aligns with your audience's needs and interests. Creating content is where the magic happens. Whether it's a blog post, a YouTube video, or a social media post, your content should provide value and naturally include your affiliate links. SEO or search engine optimization is essential to drive traffic to your affiliate content. Focus on keyword research, on-page SEO, and building backlinks to increase your visibility and attract more clicks on your affiliate links. Tracking your performance is key. Use tools like Google Analytics and your affiliate dashboard to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze this data to optimize your strategies and increase your income over time. Avoid these common mistakes: not disclosing your affiliate links, choosing the wrong niche, or promoting low-quality products. These can hurt your credibility and reduce your chances of success. Check out these other videos on making money online, and don't forget to subscribe Money Goals Mastery for more tips and strategies. I have started new channel needs your support. Please support me, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.